Hello everyone. Today we will see how we can include a funnel chart in Excel. So let's start. This is the data we will use to generate funnel chart. So what is actually funnel chart? Funnel chart means uh, if your data shows different stages of a process. Okay, if your data different stages in a process. I'm giving an example. To generate any sales, okay, how the sales is made. Definitely, if you want to, if you go to 50 persons, uh, not everybody will buy your product. Okay, you will see after so many processes, you will end up in selling maybe to 3 or 4 persons. Okay, so this is actually a process. Uh, Prospects means the total number of customers you are giving the proposal. Qualified lead means uh, that you've given the proposal to 10,000 people, 7,500 people showed some interest in your product. Then based on them, you have selected 5,000 people for meetings or discussions. And then after doing all this, then you have decided to send proposals to 3,000 people, and you have then negotiate with the terms and condition of your products or service with 2,000 people, and finally you are able to sell to 1,000 uh, persons, 1,000 people. Okay, so this is actually different stages of a process, that is different stages of sales. So how we can uh, visualize this kind of data, okay, present this kind of data. First of all, we have to select the entire data set, then go to insert, recommended charts, all charts. Then here is a funnel chart. Okay, only one chart is available. Select that, click OK. A chart is here. Okay, I am renaming the chart title again, stages of sales. Okay, making it larger. Then if I select on any of these bars, every bar will be selected. Then we can change the color of the bars. We can change, if I select on the value, every value will be selected. I can make it larger, bold. Okay, I can make it bold. Okay, and I can do other modifications from here. I can give the access titles here. Okay, I don't need this. And after selecting this, we can go to design, and we can change it to different chart styles. We can change it from here also. At different styles are available, we can change the color also. Okay, and we can do it from here also. We can add the chart element. Okay, so this is how a funnel chart is created in Excel. That's all for today, and thank you very much.